What's going on, YouTube? Today, I'll be going over some of the trade setups that I took over the past 2 days. This trading week has been really crazy. The markets are crazy. So many pips. There's so many people getting paid. So, without further ado, let's get this trade breakdown started. So, starting with GBP, JPY, I was predicting that GBP, JPY would shoot up. I was predicting that it would shoot up much higher than it did here. Reason being, we were on a downtrend. I seen it break the downtrend, the channel, and it retested through a big pin to the bottom. So I bought here. Let me go to the lower time frame. This was around Wednesday, I believe. So I bought it here, and then I was looking to get out around this area because I seen resistance here. So I knew that I could see a reversal or a potential reaction at this level. I just wanted a few pips. So I pulled out of this trade a little early. I'll show you on the screen. So only caught about 28 pips. So moving on, this was today. So I seen that this high didn't get broken. This high here didn't get broken. The market came down, created a lower high. Created a lower high here. So I started seeing that we were forming more lower highs. And my trend line got broke around this region. So once I seen that my upward trend line got broken, I knew we were potentially about to see a reversal in the trend. So we went from a temporary uptrend into a downtrend. So once I seen this area get broken, I waited for a retest, put my entry here. My entry was here. Stop loss above this range. And I got 1 to 3, almost 1 to 4. About 100 pips were made on this. This was in one day, 100 pips. Markets were paying people bills, and that's what I love to see. So what I'm predicting that we'll see is probably see this come up more. I'm looking for sales because the trend shifted from an uptrend, and now we're trending downwards, creating more lower highs. More lower highs are being formed. More lower highs and lower lows. So I'm predicting that we should see a reaction around this level and around London session. I'd like to see GBP, JPY come down more to break through that previous lower low region, and we'll see. Just gotta react to what the market gives us. Moving forward for Euro USD. For Euro USD, I was predicting that it will shoot up more. I wanted it to bounce off my 61.8 fib, and never did that, so I missed this whole move. Unfortunately, it happens, but you gotta keep it moving. So I missed out on this whole move. This whole move gave, wow, 150 pips. 150 pips. I missed out on that, but I waited for a low to be formed and to see some more resistance. I mean support. Sorry. So I waited to see more support, and I wanted support to get broken. I waited for this bearish engulfing candle to form. Once it formed, I knew that momentum was shifting downwards. So I put my entry here. And I'm currently still in this trade. I'm holding this trade for 91 pips. Currently, we are 65 pips in profit. So just gotta monitor it and see if I see any other entries that I could potentially take. I will take that. Potentially, it could shoot up a little and then come right back down, forming a lower high. So we'll see. So I got my eyes on Euro USD, gold, 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 gold. My favorite pair. Gold. Unfortunately, I missed out on gold. I was expecting gold to come up to this area here and then come down, but I never did that. I just shot all the way down. It kept shooting down. I seen this potential entry off the 38.2 fib extension. However, that's not my key area that I like to take trades off of fibs from. So therefore, I missed out on this move. Gold in the last 2 days gave about, wow, gave about 1,000 pips. 1,000 pips. 1,000 pips on gold in 2 days. Yeah, gold paid a bunch of bills. So right now, I'm seeing that gold is shooting up temporarily. I'm looking for gold to either come to this region and come down. And that's where I'm looking to take one of my setups, hopefully either today or tonight or for next week. But gold overall, looking on the daily, gold overall is bearish. We were bullish, but now we are bearish. We came below the 50 SMA. Took out lows, took out a bunch of lows, took out a bunch of higher lows. Now we are trending downward with a lot of bearish momentum. So for the coming weeks, gold should continue bearish, but we'll see. Never know what these markets. USD CAD. For USD CAD was extremely bullish. The dollar, if you could see, the dollar was just shooting up, which is why USD CAD continued rallying up. I was able to catch a sell and buy on USD CAD. Go to the 15-minute time frame. So I took this trade. I took this sell because we had a divergent M, which are one of my favorite setups. So do you see how it created this M pattern? So I seen a divergent M. So I took a temporary sell trade and got about, I sold it to my 60.1 fib extension because I knew it would shoot up from here. So I made about 35 pips on USD CAD. Then I bought it once it hit the fib, the 61.8 level. And I was holding that for 72 pips. Gave me 77. Overall, USD CAD was just extremely bullish. Wow, 200 pips in less than a day on USD CAD. So the market was really, really good this week. Depending on which positions you took, could have been a really bad week. But for me, it was all right. I missed some big moves, but just gotta keep on moving. Opportunities are everywhere. So those are the trades that I took the last 2 days. I'll show some profits that I took on Tuesday. I forgot to show the profit from today, but I'll show you some of the profits. And with trading is it's a wonderful opportunity that I advise everyone should look into, because trading could literally pay your bills. Literally pay your bills. You could literally make money just waking up. You can make money in your bed, really. As long as you got a good work ethic, I advise you to really look into trading. I know trading changed my life, and hopefully later down the road, it'll change my whole family's life. So that's it for this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. I'm out.